Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich here with your outlook for the weekend, June 25th and 26th, 2016. Starting off here with what we had on Friday evening. We had some people were surprised by this, that there would be some showers. We talked about this in the video yesterday. There would be some showers that would be coming along a mid-level trough, and that did in fact occur. And some areas had some very heavy rain from this, and of course, that was from very slow-moving storms earlier in the day here in southern New Jersey and across Delaware. But also, we had some heavier rain out in the lower Susquehanna Valley out in this area here that brought some rain and thunderstorms that were training over the same area. So some good news for those areas. If you did get into some of that activity on Friday, lucky you, because we have some drought concerns that are starting to pop up for areas further northeast of you. So this will actually help the soil out a little bit and will contribute to your temperatures going forward. The more moist the soil is, the closer to the actual projected guidance high temperatures, forecast high temperatures it will be, and we have to add a few degrees in areas that are still dry. Those are basically up here by the Allentown area and points north and east. So anything from Allentown up to the Poconos, northeast PA, also especially New Jersey, northern New Jersey, or northwest New Jersey, where those soils are still very dry. Going forward here, we're going to look at what's going on this weekend. And here's a look at Saturday. Absolutely nothing going on. So no chance for no spots on here. No chance for anything to pop up. High pressure is going to be sitting right over top of the area. So it's going to be not only a nice day as far as the sun's concerned, the sun being out, but also increasing temperatures from what they were on Friday. So we're expecting temperatures to go up well into the upper 80s, especially in the interior locations. Again, those dry areas are going to exceed projected highs. And then we get into Sunday. I think everybody starts to really warm up here with the winds turning to the south or south-southwest. So that's going to get the temperatures increased and the humidity increased ahead of this cold front that's starting to come in through from the west here. There's high pressure that's in place here on Sunday that's going to very slowly move eastwards. What that's going to do is have implications of this cold front. You see the high pressure right here? Oh, it just went past it. High pressure just off to the east. What that's going to do is slow this cold front down a little bit and not allow it to advance very quickly. So we'll have some showers and thunderstorms that are going to move in on Monday afternoon. The majority of that will be for our western counties. And this is a look at Monday here. You can see it's mostly in the interior and maybe not even all the way over to extreme eastern Pennsylvania. It might just be out here in the Susquehanna Valley again. And then as we go a little bit further into Tuesday, we have another round coming in, and this is going to allow for more showers and thunderstorms further east. So that's going to linger. That threat's going to actually linger all the way into Wednesday, even with this front very slowly moving eastward. But you see those once you get into the heating of the day, you get the showers and thunderstorms usually later in the day on Monday for the western areas, probably central areas in the overnight hours, and also on during the day on Tuesday. And then we get into Wednesday, it's finally starting to pull away here, and the far eastern sections are getting into the showers and thunderstorms. So hopefully we get some good, decent rain out of this. It doesn't look like it's a whole lot, but there's going to be a lot of hit or miss stuff. So one town might be completely dry, the next town over gets it pretty good. So just keep your fingers crossed that you are lucky enough to get some of those showers. We certainly could use the rain. After this point, we get into, we're approaching the holiday weekend. We have it looks like pretty good conditions here for both for Thursday and Friday. We'll have to watch Friday. A system to our south might be bringing a little bit of shower activity. This looks right now, early look at next holiday weekend. It looks like the best chance for any rain would occur on Friday, but most of the holiday weekend is going to end up rain-free. You could get a pop-up thunderstorm, heat of the day variety stuff, but that's about it. Looks like most areas are dry through Monday of next week. Of course, at this range, that is subject to change, so keep checking back with us on that. As far as temperatures are concerned, we're looking on Saturday here. Temperatures, again, areas that have not had a lot of soil moisture relief, which is right in here. See the temperatures are exceeding and getting a little bit higher. You get back to Harrisburg here, it might not get quite as high. Might just stay in the mid 80s, 85, 86, 87-ish, whereas further east up here by Allentown you get 88, 89. Same thing in the interior parts of northern New Jersey. So these are the areas here that are really starved for moisture. So even though Philadelphia typically is warmer than Allentown, I don't think so this time, this weekend. Allentown should actually be a little bit higher just because of the soil. The soil moisture is so much drier here than it is further south. Same thing out here in central PA with those soaking storms yesterday and down in Lancaster County. You should also be a little bit lower than further to the northeast. That theme's going to continue again here on Sunday, although we do warm up across a good portions around the upper 80s everywhere, up into 90 or maybe even the low 90s from Allentown up into once you get up into northern New Jersey, and also portions of northeastern PA will also warm up pretty nicely because they're pretty dry up here too. So just keep that in mind this weekend. Going to be a hot weekend for most, but even hotter for those areas that are dry in the interior portions of Pennsylvania and also into interior portions of northern New Jersey. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich. That is your outlook for the weekend, June 25th and 26th, 2016. Have a great Saturday and Sunday.